Who said Irish potatoes are boring? That is because you have not tried this potato stir-fried minced beef recipe. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are making a simple potato recipe that is so delicious. To begin, I'm using 5 large potatoes. I will cut them in cubes. Special shout out to you all that are watching me right now. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please consider to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video as well. When you like my video, it makes YouTube to push it more further to those who has not come across my channel. May I also use this medium to tell you that Lady C Kitchens is 1 year today. Congratulations to us. Thank you so much for your support. Next, I'll be using 4 sticks of sausages. Use more or less. I will also cut them in smaller pieces, just like this. Next, I will dice some onion. Next, grate some fresh ginger and cloves of garlic. You can decide to chop yours if you wish, okay? In a hot moderate oil, fry the potatoes. While the potatoes are frying, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, I added 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. In place of sweet chili sauce, use sugar. Then ½ tablespoon of cornstarch. Dissolve it properly and set it aside. Back to the potatoes, you can see the texture. I didn't fry them till golden brown. You can fry yours according to your preferred texture, okay? But I like what I'm seeing right now. In another pan, take some oil from the one we fry the potatoes with and fry the minced beef till it becomes very crispy. Please, can you take a moment to like the video? Like the video, it makes YouTube to push it more further to those who has not come across my channel. Thank you so much. Once it becomes crispy, go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste, diced onion, and some spring onion. Stir to combine very well. Then add a teaspoon of tomato paste. Stir to combine very well again. After stir frying the tomato paste, go ahead and add the sausage. Stir to combine very well again. Then add bell peppers. I'm using the green and the red one. In place of the bell peppers, you can add chili pepper, fresh chili pepper, okay? Give it a good mix like so. Then go ahead and add the fried potatoes and the sauce we mixed earlier. Stir to combine very well. Finally, garnish with some spring onion. Stir to combine very well and the meal is ready. My kids are not a fan of Irish potatoes, but whenever I made this recipe, they will eat and eat and eat and even demand for more. It is so delicious. Try it and get back to me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.